I just played Flappy XR. It's a VR game made by Squiddo. And if you don't know who Squiddo are, they have made a bunch of VR games like DigiGods, No More Rainbows, and Wizard. And today I'm going to be playing Flappy XR. Let's get straight into it. I'm a birdie, I'm a little birdie, I'm a little birdie. Alright. Oh, I could double tap. Wait, I'm number 8 on the leaderboard. I'm so bad. Why am I so bad? Oh, you can like fly forever, bro. Let me get the damn strawberry! Did I not just... Oh! Fuck. Fuck. Whoa. Oh, I'm in the water. Let's go. I'm so good. I'm tiny. What am I doing? So good. Yeah. Oh, we're on like a whole new style of level, whatever. It's so icy because I'm in the thick of it. Everybody knows.
We do not care.
Hey, strawberry! Yes, little birdie. 1 minute. Oh, I'm so bad. One minute, I'm collecting strawberries. Oh shoot, I nearly just died. I'm a ballerina. You can add around the back, you stupid strawberry. Oh, I'm on a whole new level now. No, I could probably get 1 on that. It was like 4 seconds. Oh no, no. In 3 seconds. I don't even get how you did it. But then I failed miserably on one of them. I genuinely don't even know how you do it. Right, wait, what do I do to beat this one? How? It needs to get a better score than that. Alright, I beat chapter 1, chapter 2, and chapter 3. I'm gonna do endless. How did someone get 75,000 on that? Anyway, guys, that was Flappy XR. I would go give it a try. It's a super fun, addicting game. And yes, and I wish they would add a whole bunch more chapters because this game doesn't really update anymore. But personally, it was worth it. Subscribe.